Hi, this is David Marsh with EminiTradingStrategies.com. Today is Saturday, March 12th, 2011. Going to give you a quick ProTrader update. Had a lot of emails about how ProTrader's doing. I plan on blogging about it monthly, but it's looking like I'll have to do it every week or every other week. Let's just kind of go over a couple things. We discussed this in the webinar, which is recorded. We showed you January real results are up 4.5%. February we're up 7.8%. We showed that on the blog. As of March 10th, Friday, we're down 5.62% for the month. So we're up 6.6% so far in 2011. Now, so we had a few losing trades in March. Now we're only just about halfway through March, and January we only had 3 or 4 or 5 trades. February was pretty slow. Now we're starting to see a lot of volatility, a lot of movement. We're getting more trades. All right, ProTrader, as we showed in the initial webinar at the beginning of the year, wins about 52% of the time, and it's been averaging 4.5% per month. So it's maybe down just a bit, but that's expected. We had a max drawdown over the past 26 months of about 650 per contract, give or take. I don't have the exact numbers, and right now it's down a couple hundred per contract by just using our default parameters. All right, you can go in there and make changes. You can change times you want to trade. You can change profit targets, things like that. Now, we rolled over this previous Thursday to the June contract, so I simply changed my chart over to the June contract, so I had to go back and pull up historical results for March because I completely closed out the March contract, went to June, so therefore I need to state that the results I'm showing you are on a sim account now and are hypothetical just for March because I had to go back and historically pull up the charts, so therefore they are historical, they are hypothetical results. So just our results are very close in line to this, but I need to state that out so there are no confusions. Okay, let's talk about March 1st. Had a good short trade, but it jumped out with a news play. This little colored area here is that any trade that it's in, it's going to close itself out at market because there's a potential for a report. Okay, and it made about 24 bucks after commission, so nothing really big to talk about there. March 2nd, straight up loser, short entry, went a couple ticks in our favor, nowhere near our profit, turned right around. We had our max daily stop loss, and we ended for the day after commission 351. So these are one of the things you can change. Okay, you can have it stop at a max daily stop loss. That's how we have it defaulted. Now, it's worth noting if you would have let it ProTrader trade all day long, it would have actually still been down, but it been down after commissions about 130 bucks. So it would have actually done better had it traded more, but that's doesn't mean I'm going to make changes to the default settings. Okay, I'm happy with them. They're tested. They're time proven. Yeah, we take losing trades. That's part of the game, right? We're not going to win 100%. In fact, I only expect to win 50 to 52% anyways. So, but a lot of guys go in there and make changes, let it trade all day. They actually did better this month. They still had a loss, and again, this month's not even over yet, but they did better. Okay, so let's move on here. We're getting low on time already. Short trade here. This is March 3rd. It enters. Starts going, would have made its full profit. Well, almost. You can see here's profit target 2, but it stopped out for the news event, made a small profit there. March 4th, long entry, doesn't even come close. Straight out stop out. Bam. Max daily loss. So again, that's where it stops. When we hit a max daily loss, it stops trading for the day. And again, that's our default parameters. Now let's look at March 7th. Short entry. Look at that. One tick to profit right there, at least to the first profit target. Turned right around, exit out at a news play. That's a market order. Took a small loss on that one. And same thing here, March 8th. Short entry. Look at that. Comes and hits our first target. Doesn't fill. Turns around, stops us out. Small loss, and we move on. And now March 10th. Full boat winner right there. Long entry. First nice one around month, really. So nice winner right there. So that's the results so far for the year. So we're up about 6.6% for the year. Still pretty darn good for where I'm sitting. And again, I do this video for my students and for anybody else who wants to watch. You know, when we see a couple losers, it's just human nature to think, hey, should we make some changes? I got a lot of emails this week. Hey, we had like 2 or 3, 4 losers in there. Isn't it time to go in there and make some changes? And the answer is no. We've tested this over 24, 25 months. Just because I had 1 or 2 weeks, or so what did we had 6, 7 trades, and 4 or 5 were bad. It's not going to go in and start changing things. It's just the pendulum swings both ways. So we're just going to keep rocking and rolling. I'm very confident that we'll maintain the averages we've seen over the past 2 years, and we'll just keep rocking out. So thanks for your time, and have any questions, please feel free to get in touch.